Hey there, my fabulous friends. Thanks for being here. Today I'm going to share with you something very special. It's something amazingly special and really different, and I created it from one of my paintings. And this creation, which I'm going to share with you a little ways ahead, was inspired by our lovely friend Aishu, our dear friend, in celebration of her birthday. I will share my very special creation reveal later in this video, so be sure to stay tuned. I am going to share with you some of the footage of the creation of the painting that later becomes the special project that I made, because I want to give you a glimpse into a little bit about what that painting was and is. I'm also going to be sharing with you, while you see some of that footage, a few things of interest. Okay, so first let me just tell you briefly that this painting is mainly created out of various shades of pinks and purples, and you can see the names of the paint colors on the tubes in the footage. And also, there's a couple lighter shades of purple that are custom blends. So the basis of my very special reveal began from a ring pour. And I will also be sharing the full creation of this painting in another video presentation on my channel, so that you can see the whole thing and how it was really created. But for now, you're going to see some of the highlights and some of the special creations. But as you watch some of this footage, let's talk about a few things of our sweet friend Aishu. The name Aishu is short for the name Aishwarya, which stems from the Sanskrit language and means wealth, success, and fame. Now, our dear friend Aishu is already a success even at her young age, and she has quickly risen within this art group as one of our shining gems. I'm sure Aishu will always be a standout within whatever realms she finds herself within throughout her life. Aishu is a gem among us, which brings me to the birthstone of April, which classically is a diamond. Diamond represents illumination, understanding, honesty, and communication. Diamonds are also a symbol of strength. Aishu shows all of these characteristics within the way she conducts herself. The flower for April is the daisy, and it symbolizes purity, new beginnings, joy, and cheerfulness. Here is to wishing Aishu a wonderful new beginning within her new year, as she begins it with her birthday. As far as joy and cheerfulness go, Aishu certainly brings both to our art community, and her purity of heart is evident. I have created 2 merchandise designs out of this painting. In one of the designs, I adjusted the coloring in Photoshop to make an alternate version of the coloring. And this one is this fuchsia. It's a really celebratory, fuchsia celebratory type of coloring. And it really stands out, especially against, actually I put this against so many colors and it looked great against many different t-shirt colors. So that was very exciting for me as I was looking at that. And I also have another version of the same design where the colors are more like they really are in the actual painting, but I selected the lighter color parts of the painting primarily, which kind of tend to feature a little bit more of that white with slightly less of the pink mixed in with the white. So it kind of really looks more like almost like a sterling kind of sophisticated sort of look. So that one is for the wearer who would maybe not like something so festive as the fuchsia version, or maybe just has a little bit more of a sophisticated look rather than a fun, playful look in how they prefer to dress. And the other design I made features not only the painting itself, but I really highlighted taking this area of the painting where this heart naturally appeared, and I selected this heart and used it in this variation. We've all probably seen this, where we see this play with the word beautiful, where they put beautiful, like we get it, BU, and it's beautiful is kind of like the idea. And so I also feel like both these sayings represent Aishu quite well, because I think she is someone who believes that she can when it's something she wants to go for, and she just goes for it. I believe that she believed she could, and so she did, kind of a thing. And she also is herself, and that is a beautiful thing. So I will be sharing proceeds from both of these merchandise designs because they were inspired by Aishu. I will be sharing proceeds with her to help support her channel or her crafts or things that she might need for school or whatever. If any of these designs appeal to you and there's something you would wear, I encourage you to get one for yourself. And if you could see anybody that you love, any daughters or moms or aunts or nieces or granddaughters or grandmas or anything like that, if you have any family members that you believe would like any of these designs, then these make great gifts for either early shopping for the later in the year holidays, like the Christmas and Hanukkah type holidays at the end of the year, or birthday gifts and that kind of thing. Happy birthday, dear Aishu. May you have the most amazing new trip around the sun, our dear sweet Aishu. And remember, my friends, Angela Bliss is up next. Follow the link to her channel.